Hey, good morning. Oh, let's start that over again. Oh, wait a minute. Good morning. The joy of working from home is that you can go to work whenever you want. Still in your jammies, still wearing your sweats. It's okay. Don't worry about it. You're the boss. Hey, you want some coffee? Or, as I prefer, looking like $1 million to make $1 million. Yes, well, I have my beautiful serene courtyard outside, and now I can get to work. Welcome to my home office. I'm Barbara Burney. Next Stop Adventure, partners with Platinum One Destinations and Synergy Marketing Group. If there was a 24/7 travel solution with the convenience of the internet, true wholesale pricing unavailable to the general public, where you can book travel and lodging just about anywhere in the world, coupled with 5-star customer service, would that excite you? I can do this business with one hand tied behind my back. Oh yeah, I am. Everything we need to succeed is in place for us. Our valuable, straightforward system consists of 3 very simple steps, and many of our team members are earning thousands of dollars each and every week from the comfort of their homes using just a telephone and a computer. Okay, let's review. Wholesale travel, home base. Oh, remind me to put the clothes in the dryer when we're done here. And did I mention the money? My girlfriend, who introduced me, in 1 month, she made $16,000. So, I know it's possible, and we are doing it. A lot of our team members are earning thousands of dollars from the comfort of their homes. And the support and training, personal development if you like, are life-changing. I have to be upfront with you by saying that I am only interested in working with serious and motivated individuals who are committing to improving the quality of their lives. Would you say that describes you? I'd love to meet you and welcome you to our dynamic team. I will be your trainer and business partner. We are offering our memberships at 20% off until the end of this month, and you deserve to attend one of our regional Synergy Summits in the upcoming months. You can call me at 1-800-385-5856 and visit my website at www.nextstopadventure.com to register for our exciting live wealth-building event and to download the business report. Everyone loves to travel, and it is a trillion-dollar industry. Join us in our great adventure and embrace change.